In the previous video, we have seen what is GCD and LCM. Yes. So now I'm going to take one problem. I'm going to solve the problem. Then easily you will understand what is GCD and what is LCM. The given numbers are 154, 198 and 286. See, if you are doing GCD or LCM, the first step is you must find the prime factors. You must find the prime factors. So in the previous exercise itself, we have learnt how to do the prime factorization. One is factor tree method and another one is division method. But when you are doing GCD and LCM, you must use only the L division method. Okay, factor tree method you cannot use here. You just use a L division method. Okay, so here I have done the division separately. You can do it all together like 154 comma 198 comma 286. You just divide all the numbers by 2. That also you can do. Okay, so both methods are, you will get the same answer. Okay, or same only, you will get the same answer only, but you are doing the first time. No, that's why I am doing like this. Do the division separately, then only you will feel easy. Okay, after you are doing 4 or 5 problems, we will do it together. Okay, so now 154, as usual, do the prime factorization. Check the last number. It is 4. It can be divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Here it is 15. So the remainder is 1. Again 2 sevens are 14. Now 77. 77 can divided by 11. It will come in 11th table. Am I correct? So 11 sevens are 77. What about 7? 7 is a prime number. So 7 ones are 7. If you got 1, you just stop it. That's it. Okay. Now 198. Check the last number. It is 8. It can be divided by 2. 1 is the smallest number. So take with the next number. It is 19. 2 nines are 18. So the remainder is 1. Here it is 19, but we got 18. So the remainder is 1. It is 18 now. So 2 nines are 18. Now 99. 99 also will come in 11th table. So 11 nines are 99. What about 9? 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. What about 3? 3 ones are 3 because 3 is a prime number. Next one, 286. 6 can divided by 2. So the whole number can divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Then 2 threes are 6. Now 143. 143 will come in 11th table and also 13th table. So I took 13 11s are 143. 13 ones are 13. Here it is 14. So the remainder is 1. Now it is 13. 13 ones are 13. Simple, right? Now 11 is a prime number. So 11 ones are 11. Now you just write all the prime factors. 154 is equal to 2 into 11 into 7. Similarly, 198 is equal to 2 into 11 into 3 into 3. Then 286. 2 into, in both number we have 11. Yes, 11 as the second factor. So I have chosen this 11 as second factor. Then 13 I have written as a third factor. No problem in that. You can change the places. No problem. Okay. So now GCD. What is GCD? Greatest common divisor. It should be a common number. That is the most important thing. Greatest common divisor. If you are taking that particular number, that number should divide all the given numbers. Okay. So here 2, 2, 2. It is coming in all the three numbers. So 2 is the common factor. So 2 into, then the next number is 11. 11 is coming in all the three factors. Yes. So 2 into 11. What about 7? 7 can divide only 154, not 188, not 286. So this is not a common number. So we should leave it. Okay. So is that clear? So greatest common divisor for GCD or highest common factor HCF, you have to take only the common factors. Only the common factors. So 2 into 11 is also a common factor. So 2 11s are 22. All other numbers are not common. So you just leave it. Then LCM. LCM is least common multiple. So least common multiple. That number should be the multiple of the given number. That's it. Okay. So very easy. What are the numbers are there? 2 into 2 into 2. All the three numbers are the same numbers. So you just write only once. Clear? After that 11 into 11 into 11, all the three numbers are same, so you just write only once. Then 7 in seventh table we will have 154, so we should take that 7. Okay, so the major difference is for GCD you should take only the common factor. For LCM you will take all the common factors. First you want to write common factors into uncommon factors, UC. Okay, UC is nothing but uncommon. First write all the common factors, then into uncommon factors. What are all the common factors? 2 into 11. Okay, you just write only once. Common numbers you should write only one time. Okay, then uncommon you should write the numbers as such. The numbers as such. 7 is uncommon, so 7 into 3 into 3. Both 3 are in same number, so you should not write only one time. Okay, if 1 3 is here, another 1 3 is here, you can write only one time because 3 and 3 is common. But here both 3 are in the same number. Okay, if 1 3 is one number, another 1 3 is another number, then you can consider that as the same, but you should not consider that for GCD. Okay, for GCD it should be there in all the numbers. Okay, no number should missing. But if you have 3 and 3 here, for LCM you can write only one time. This 3 and this 3, put a circle, write only one time. But here 3 into 3 is in the same number, so you should write 3 into 3 here. After that, what is that number? 13. Then 2 11s are 22, 7 3s are 21, 3 13s are 39. If you are multiplying everything, you will get 18,018. Very easy, no? So the major difference is for GCD it should be common number. You have to take only the common factors. But LCM you have to take common factors as well as the uncommon factors. Okay, so the common for GCD it should be there in all the three numbers, all the given numbers. Okay, very easy, no? You just try any other sum, then you will feel easy.